Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a bus to your routes in the Bus Times application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the My Routes button at the bottom of the page. And then click on this plus sign at the bottom of the page on the right. And as you can see, you can add the buses by stops or routes. So, for example, if you type in London, then you will see all the bus stops available in this area. So for example, if you want to save the London Road per George stop, then just click on the white circle under it, and it's written in the bottom of the page that 80 has been added to my routes. And yeah, so as you can see, all the upcoming buses as well as the stops are available in your routes section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.